Maybe this gonna be helpful for somebody out there. Those of you starting off in the pressure washing industry. So when I started off, these literally was my go-to pans. And as you can see, this is probably like maybe 3 or 4 washes straight up messed up. From the bleach that we use, you know what I mean, washing houses and driveways and all of that, and then it's black out of all colors. And so just to put it plain, man, bleach does not go well with cotton. And so if you want to keep messing up your pans looking like this, you know, maybe you want to go for the tie-dye look, but you don't want to keep messing up your pans with chemical. I advise you to get rid of these and switch to some of these. Not exactly, you know what I mean? You want, I can post a link, but they pretty much polyester, so, or dry fit. Trying to find a tag. So when it comes to cleaning, you know, with the chemicals we clean with, you want to look for something that's 90% polyester, maybe 100%, or spandex. And mind you, y'all, like these been my go-to for several months, and I use all kind of chemicals, primarily bleach, to clean. And as you can see, they still holding up. Nothing. Pretty much bleach resistant. And on top of that, that goes the same with your shirts. And so again, I started off with cotton shirts, and then I switched to polyester material. As you can see, well, let me try to find, bear with me, y'all, bear with me. Again, what you see, 100% polyester. And so nice little polo that I got, and then it's kind of like a dry fit type situation. Again, bleach resistant, get you right. And what I did, man, I just went on Amazon and I found a dry fit shirt, and I went to my local screen print, you know what I'm saying, t-shirt design company here, and I said, hey y'all, this is what I want to put. My service on the back, I want to put my logo on the front, and then put my number as well. Keep it real simple, you know what I mean? I ain't got the bubbles and all this stuff. I ain't knocking the guys who got bubbles and all of that, but I just need something, you know what I mean, not only that can last with the chemicals, but also that I can look, you know, professional when I show up to a client house. So I started off cotton shirts. I started off again with these, but it gets to a point now, it's like, man, let me just pull up with something a little nicer, but also it's gonna last. So again, y'all, hopefully this was helpful for the new people out there. Polyester, spandex material, but dry fit. Think dry fit, bleach resistant. It'll get you right, stay in the game for longer. All right, y'all, hopefully this was helpful. Comment below if it was helpful. Any other questions. Till next time, take care.